Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with just a few miscellaneous things that I've received in the mail, and I believe every one of these is from Amazon. It is, every one of them. So, I ordered two of the most darling bonnets. When our oldest, well, all our son wore hats and our daughters wore bonnets. And I absolutely love these beautiful sun bonnets. This is a gorgeous eyelet with pink roses on it. And I just thought it was so sweet, you know, the pink little satin roses. And then this one is a warmer hat since our granddaughter will be born in November. And it's just more of a solid hat. I don't think it's, let me see here. I haven't even opened these. Oh, it's wrapped again. Wow. Yeah, it just looks like it may be lined. Let me see here for a second. Sorry for the rattle. I was trying not to do this. And I ordered these from, it looks like Grandbaby. So, yeah, this is a very nice lined bonnet. And I just love that beautiful satiny soft rose. And these are both super, super, super soft and just little girly and so pretty. So, anyways, Grandbaby. And that was on Amazon. I think this was by the same company. Let me see. Well, it doesn't say, but they're both for 0 to 3 months. So I thought those were darling. And I also have been wanting, I have clear sticker paper, but in the midst of everything getting moved, I know it's gotten lost, and I want to send some with my husband because he'll stop in the city and get copies for me sometimes. And I wanted to have a patch for him, so these are just the Avery clear full sheet sticker labels that you can print out your stickers on, then cut them out, or if you have a Cricut, you can cut it out, have it cut out for you, or the Brothers. I would love to have that Brothers one, but anyways, the scan and cut. But anyways, the Avery 8665. Avery 8665. And I ordered them on Amazon. Amazon's the cheapest, guys. It's just always going to be. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Actually, I was going to put that over there, and that is not where that goes. Lastly, I have been enjoying watching again. I don't know what it is. It's so therapeutic for me to watch people do journaling. And I mean mixed media journaling as well. And I love making junk journals. I love, you know, getting messy in journals. I love, you know, recording my thoughts, my prayers, my, you know, journaling in journals. And so I was watching, I think her name is Elise, but I think she goes, her channel here is The Scrappy Wife. I have so watched, I've been watching a playlist of all of her journaling. And it was funny, she talked about that she had gotten out of the habit, she was trying to get back in, and I was like, oh, I need to get back in the habit of journaling. And so anyways, here we go. I have not done much with Jane Davenport because I really just, you know, felt like, oh, I couldn't afford it. But these were, I can't remember if they were on sale, but I've got a really good deal on Amazon. And so I picked out this first. And this is just a die that you could cut out the outline. And I love that. I also ordered some feathers, and they'll be coming in. But I'm really excited to play with this. So that means that I can, just like the example here, I can make my, you know, make my page with all the ink and the dyes and everything else that I want to do, the mists, whatever I want to do. Let that dry, cut out an outline, and, you know, have the silhouette on top of that. And I think, and then come back in and like color her hair or whatever I want to do. So I am super excited to play with this. And this is a good size. At first when I saw it, I thought, oh, well, that's not very big. And then I realized, well, in a journal, like if I pull out this Diane Reesley journal, that would be just right. So anyways, I thought that was kind of fun. And, oh, hold on. Yep, that did exactly what I was trying not to do. Alrighty. So then I also saw the stencils, and that's where I really went, was just to go get some stencils to do large, like canvas or, you know, whatever else I wanted to do with these, because I love doing mixed media. So she did one that I really, really liked with, I don't know if it was any of these. It may have been that one, but I'm not sure. Anyways, so I thought, ooh, these look like fun, so I'm going to give these a try. So you get 3 in this particular set. And this also came with this set, which this is the one that caught my eye. This is the one that I really, really, really wanted because I love this cow, and I love that she did her hair up on. I wear my hair up all the time. I love this one because her hair is up, and I wear my hair down, you know, for like special events, but, you know, it's hot. Let's get real. So I always just flip my hair up and put in a little, like, alligator kind of clip. And, you know, and I have different clips for different colored outfits, and it just became habit somehow. I remember when my sister started doing it, and I was like, that is so weird that she wears her hair up all the time. And then I realized I now know why she does it. So anyways, and the years I was taking care of my parents, I didn't always have time, you know, to stop, do my hair, so I could just flip it up and go. And so I really liked these, plus these have the flowers with them. So these are nice size, and I love the example here of the girl with her hair up, and I can draw that, and she just gives you some really great ideas. So this will be fun. So have fun. Go look at Amazon. There are some great resources, and of course Jane Davenport, I believe she is out of Australia. So I don't think I'm going to be ordering from Australia, but I can definitely find her on, I'm trying to think, is she on scrapbook.com? I can't remember, but I definitely know she's on Amazon. There are some things at Michael's that are Jane Davenport, and because I always see them because I'm a big Diane Reesley fan, and Tim Holtz, and they're right in that same area as well. Matter of fact, Spellbinders. That was by Spellbinders. Hold on. Who is this by? This is probably Spellbinders as well. Yeah. Okay, so she's got a lot of her stuff with Spellbinders. So, anyways, long story short, and I love Spellbinders too. They have great dies. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was kind of a mix of Grandbaby girl and getting messy and getting creative again and thinking outside my box. I don't do faces. I don't do faces. I stink at faces. I hated when you go to classes and the first thing they say is draw a self-portrait. Ugh. I stink at that part. Ask me to draw a bird. Ask me to draw the mountains. Ask me to draw the ocean. Ask me to draw anything but my face or somebody else's face. So portraits are just a whole different ball of wax. And I thought, well, this is kind of a fun way to kind of do that, but cheat a lot. So I'll cheat. And then, of course, Amazon's great for these kinds of Avery type supplies, and unless you get like discount coupons to, you know, Office Max, Office Depot, whatever you have, Staples in your area, I don't do anything without a coupon, and I honestly always find it cheaper on Amazon. So anyways, all right friends, I hope you like this. Please like, subscribe. Tons of drawings going on, tons of journaling kits that we'll be doing as a group, and you have to be a member, or you have to be subscribed to be a part of it, and just a lot of great giveaways. So, and plus we'd love to encourage you. That's what this channel is all about. So if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell. It'll tell you every time a video comes up, and I try to get at least a video up a day, and on the busy days sometimes there's more than that. So and then lastly, share this video if it would encourage anybody else. Maybe somebody else is looking for something here. So, all right, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I look so forward to talking to you. Talk to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.